Today is National Bran Muffin Day, and I don't know about you, but I love a bran muffin in the morning or any other time of day. So I thought I'm gonna make a really good recipe from Nancy Silverton. These smell really good. Now, for those of you who really like bran muffins, you're gonna love this recipe. I think it's a really good recipe. For those of you who don't like bran muffins, you're really gonna like this recipe. They're so moist and they're so fragrant because of the orange zest. They really don't need anything on them. I just need, like, I don't know, a glass of milk. Damn good.